Hello guys, welcome to Technojob. Here we are with a new off-campus recruitment, that is Accenture Mega Off-Campus Recruitment Drive 2020 for Software Developer Associate, that is BE, B.Tech and MCA students can apply for this. Before going in detail about this off-campus recruitment, we provide jobs for BE, B.Tech students and also give information about government jobs, private jobs and also tech news. Coming to this drive, job role is software developer associate and qualification is BE, B.Tech, MCA. Experience is a fresher can apply and also a year experienced can apply for this, and the job location is Ahmedabad. And coming to the application, coming to this eligibility, candidates should process BE, B.Tech or MCA degree. And here we are with the job description. You can go through it and find out what is the role you're going to play if you get a job. And if you want to apply, please do click here. So you move to an official website of Accenture. So here you can find out apply now. So you can click on that. So you have to type your email ID and password and you have to get sign in, and then you'll have details of your thing, and you can upload your resume and you can apply for this drive. So thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.